It's Ichang by the river. Krabi. Beautiful little cafe. It's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, no clouds or anything, so it'll be brilliant for the drone. And we're here at 9 o'clock. There's a crab. There's a crab. We've got a whole boat. Just a pair of feet driving. After a hot run, I haven't seen, we should have caught it, we did. The drone was filming.
Oh well, yeah, I guess. But it actually landing on the boat would have been better, like looking at it from a different angle, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm. So
my face looking like I'm having a heart attack.
Having to land a drone on the boat when it was windy was a little bit worrying.
Not a flat roof. I hadn't thought about that for it coming back to us. I'd be back in the middle.
Put it this way, we nearly lost it.
But we did we? Thought it was fine.
It was fine because we didn't lose it. Well, Kaucanabanam, which is a cave. I'm sure this is where.
I think we've been.
Isn't it where Japanese started? Something like that.
I don't know.
Look, let's have a little look first so we know what we're looking at. The staircase, wow. It's amazing. Oh, located north. Symbolic sites of Krabi. Two mountains are like natural gateway to Krabi. Whoever passes through the gate should return to their hometown after they will always end up coming back to Krabi. True.
Yeah.
Prehistoric humans, as far back as the Stone Age.
No.
Okay. So you can see why they lived in here, nice and cool. Feel that breeze? It's perfect, isn't it? Wow. All these nooks and crannies. That's an impressive cave, isn't it? For 30 baht. Right, so apparently this is a prehistoric man. He stands at about what, 20 foot tall? He's got pointy teeth. He's got bigger feet than me.
Only just.
Only just. Got a large python wrapped around him. Python sort of, look at it, the python's head though.
Yeah. I think it's similar to that of a large python.
So that's the vertebrae of the python. That's the bloke's teeth. And a couple of his parts of his fingers. Just so you know. Well, I'm not having that, like. I'm not having that.
I need a bit more convincing.
the broken pots. Oh, come on. I think we're a fairground attraction. The cave itself is amazing. It doesn't really need this. Somebody painted glasses on that one. Don't mind cars, just go and stand. Give you a rough idea. Nah. Nah. Not having it.
Have you got the other phone, the Thai phone on you?
Great about this, Karen just said it. Got no one but us.
Nobody's following us and on walks behind them.
Nah.
I just look behind them and there's another sun around.
I know. Literally got this to ourselves. I did see like that couple of people in the cave there.
2 or 3 books that last spot.
Nearly touching bottom, yeah. Nearly touching bottom. Oh, he's making it dramatic for them. Oh. this has just reminded us. There's a monkey, look. There. Just hiding behind the tree, look. Just running.
Oh, yeah.
Going through those mangroves reminded us of this. Quick blast. I do hope to go back to the fishing village. He knows we've been before, but we didn't have a 4K camera. Okay.
So this one is 4 kilograms, but we don't eat them, just feed them to looking. Because it's too big, it's not taste to eating, it's not good taste to eating.
Right, so it don't taste very good.
Yep.
Not a roy.
Yeah.
Wow. Some size on it.
Okay, can we see here? Here is any snapper, is white snapper or grouper or red snapper is here.
Oh yeah.
There's white color is white snapper, and that one is white snapper. And that's a grouper. That's a red snapper. Alright. You see red snapper on that. No.
Down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Red snapper.
Sea snapper.
Yeah, sea snapper.
So quick.
So this one we don't eat them, just feed them to looking to.
Okay.
It's very big.
So when they're big, not tasty.
Yeah.
Right.
Eat the small one, the meat is more soft than
Right.
bigger. Right. And this one is a grouper. It's any grouper here. It's tiger grouper. And this one is a rock snapper, the black one on the side. Oh, be careful. Okay, come to see here.
Wow.
This one is a jackfish or kingfish.
Kingfish, huh?
Kingfish or jackfish. So this one is around 15 kilograms, right?
Okay.
But this one, don't eat them, just feed them to looking at them.
Yeah.
So it's very big.
Wow, they're huge.
See?
So kingfish.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's the one I've done. Was on about that.
Can you see here?
Maybe.
That's the end of our trip. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Excellent. That's what trips should be about. Last time I came to Tiger Temple, there's 1,237 steps. It goes all the way to the top of there. And it killed her. I was 40 then, it was 10 years ago. And Karen's itching to do it, but she's got an ailment, so we've decided not to. I couldn't go up there by myself.
I'll do it if you want to do it.
No, because you know it's not good for you.
It's not good for you.
And I'm not going to go up there and leave you down here on your own, so I'll take the hit.
No, it's fine. I can do it.
Not happening.